Today we're going to convert PDF information to Excel automatically using SenditSheets. For this demonstration, we will use this bank statement. It's a multi-page document with plenty of transaction data. First thing I want to do is go to senditsheets.com and log in. And once we're on their homepage, we can go ahead and get started. In this case, I'm going to select a bank statement as my document type. And I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop it here. Then we click process files, and this is the part where the AI is going to do its magic. It's going to be processing all the information, extracting and mapping everything. So you can just take a quick sip of your coffee, and before you know it, the data is ready and you can view the results. This is a quick summary page that highlights some of the key information, such as number of transactions and the confidence percentage, how comfortable the AI was with all of the data it extracted, and map it so that it gives you an idea of what to look out for. This might feel familiar to Excel. I call this the table view, where the information is now structured in columns and rows. As you can see here, we have the date, description, etc. This is a great view to take a quick look and validate your data. One thing to point out here is that the bank statement had two accounts, a primary checkings and a business savings account. So as you'll see, SenditSheets divides them accordingly. Another thing I like to point out is that you can toggle the debits credits on and off. You can review the files side by side with the data that was extracted and make any edits if needed. And if everything is looking good, you can click the download button where we have a few file type options. I'm going to go with CSV. And just like that, we have all of the bank statement data in Excel. Thanks for watching.